before the Boohoo haul starts, I just wanted to quickly tell you about GoCashBack. You may or may not have heard about them, but if you haven't, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them now. I thought it was very fitting, seeing as we're doing a haul all involves spending money. So I'm just going to quickly explain what GoCashBack is, and then I'll show you how to set it up and stuff. GoCashBack is essentially a website where you can earn money back while shopping. Literally all you have to do is make an account, and if you want to earn $8 or pounds, depending on your currency, use my code or my link down below and you'll get $8 or £8 straight away. If you go into the search bar and search up any store, for example, I'm doing Boohoo because my haul is a Boohoo haul. It also tells you any discount codes or free shipping codes or any promotions that the brand is having on at the moment. And currently, Boohoo are having 10% cash back. 10%. Sorry, what? That's a joke. Another point to mention is that you can use the cashback as well as the discount code. Sometimes with these things you can only have the discount code or you can only have the cashback. With GoCashBack you can literally do both, which is a bonus. So you get discount and money back. You can get 10% cashback on Boohoo, 3% on Pretty Little Thing, 3% on Sephora, 3.6% on ASOS, 3% on Disney if you're a Disney girl. Literally the list, it goes on. It goes on and it goes on. They also do monthly giveaways, so keep an eye on their website for that as well. I'm just going to really quickly explain how to set it up. So just make an account using the link down below. Of course, you'll be starting off with your free $8. So once you've signed up and made an account, you can start to see all the stores that you can get cash back on. Literally any brand you can think of, from makeup to clothing to food, is on here. So as you can see, I typed up Boohoo and it shows that I can get 10% cash back on there. All you got to click is shop now and it takes you straight to the website. You can start earning cash back straight away. You can also get cash back on gift cards, which is amazing. If you're getting a gift card for a friend or a family for a present, you can get cash back on that. The easiest way to access GoCashBack is by downloading it as a Google Chrome extension. Super easy, just click download and it will be there for you to use straight away. Or you can also download the GoCashBack app on the App Store on your phone. As you can see here, it's super easy to download and set up. Once you're all signed in, everything's just there for you. Don't forget to click the link below and use my code, and I hope you enjoy my Boohoo haul. I feel like it's been a while since I've done a Boohoo haul, so of course I had to come back with a bang. I have two big parcels. They was literally ripping apart when I was doing that thumbnail. I'm so excited, like there's so many good pieces in here. This set is actually from Boohoo. Let's just get straight into the video. I forgot to say that. We're gonna go straight in because I'm always wearing something from the start. This is a tracksuit set. If you've watched my past Boohoo hauls, you know I'm obsessed with this design studio thing edit they've got. I don't know what it is. I love orange and I love hoodies. My favourite thing is this. I love when they don't have drawstrings. I hate the metal on it. It looks ugly. I just prefer when it's like this, and it looks exactly like the Pangea ones. So this is a short set. I'll quickly get up. The gold, so of course got the blanket. I'll just stand up like this. So it comes with the hoodie and of course the little like boy shorts. The one I'm wearing is actually from the petite section, but they have non-petite. I don't find it's overly petite. It still gives that oversized comfy fit and it's super nice quality. I want to talk about this. Of course I'm going to have try-on clips. Maybe I'll sit over here. So yeah, I'm going to have try-on clips. So if I'm not holding things up properly, it doesn't matter. You're going to see it on the try-on clip. So I love, love, love a varsity jacket. I feel like they're so cool. It is oversized, but it fits well on the arms. I sometimes find with like varsity jackets and stuff that they're too big on the arms and oversized, so it looks silly. But this is just like long oversized, but the arms fit me really well. I like the contrast of the material, so it's like that soft, like velvety, I don't know, material that like a baseball jacket normally has, and then it has the faux leather. I really like that, and it's got the embroidery on the arms, also some embroidery there as well. I did actually grab this in an 8, that was the smallest size, but I'm super happy with the size. It's nice and oversized. I just wore mine with some black and white trainers, a black crop top and some black flares. Another thing I've worn very recently is this skirt. I watched on my Instagram the other day and so many people were like, oh my god. The only thing is, it's way too big. I did tie it with a hairband, but it did keep rising up, but I mean, I love the skirt so much. I don't even know what size this is. Oh, it's a size 6, yeah. It's got elasticated bands, so I wouldn't size up. I'd size down if you could. It's just a thin jersey material with the tartan pattern. I love beige and black together. It looks really, really nice. I just wore mine with a black bodysuit, my chunky black boots, and a black oversized faux leather blazer. Let's get onto this. I haven't done it up because of course it's me. When I love something, I grab it in multiple colours. I grabbed it in the black and the white. Now I thought these would be really lovely for summer. Obviously it's not done up, so just look at the trial clip. Look how like cute and dainty it is. It gives like the corset vibe. So it has the pearly looking buttons down the middle, and then it's also peplum. As you can see, it kind of flares out. I feel like this top gives such an hourglass figure. The straps are also adjustable, which is really nice. And then, as I said, it's just buttons. I'm not sure what type of like material this is, but it's got like embroidery on it. I don't know if it says on the label. No, it just says frill peplum corset. Yeah, I grabbed both of these in 6. I also grabbed the black. As you know, corsets are such a trend at the moment. I feel like these are nice if you're not into that like suction, like sexy look. This is sexy and cute at the same time. I was thinking with some like denim shorts maybe, if you had some white denim shorts or black denim shorts. I always like to say, use it as a Halloween costume. You want to be an angel, you want to be, I don't know, dark angel. Talking of cutesy tops, I'm obsessed with this. Look at this. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Again with this like peplum look. I don't think I have anything peplum, but I'm clearly loving it. I was thinking with like an orange skirt or a pink skirt to make it super summery. That it goes a bit lower on the back as well. I love backs. Not in a weird way, but like when you have like clothes and like it's an open back, I just find it so flattering. Another summer staple, I wore these in a TikTok recently. You either love or you hate wedges. I used to hate them and I love them now. I feel like they're such a good summer and holiday shoe. These are like walking on clouds. I found they were super comfortable and I like the stud detailing. It really reminds me of Valentino. If you had like a wicker hat or a wicker bag, that would look really nice. They're just nude with gold studs, as I said. Super easy to put on, super easy to walk in. I then grabbed this little top here. It's like a ribbed knit material. So it's a bandeau and it's like not long, it's like normal length, and then you tie this around the middle. I thought with some like white flares this would look really classy if you wore it with the wedges on holiday. It kind of gave me like Zara vibes as well. I like the colour. I wish they had like matching flares for this because I feel like that as a co-ord would be so nice. I just wanted a top where it'd be more comfortable. I then grabbed this cropped denim jacket. Denim jacket's amazing for summer, such a staple. I think if you don't have one, long or short, you need one. If you was go with any, maybe go with blue. I find the blue goes with most. I love how like raw hemmed it is and like distressed. I really like that. And it's actually cropped. It's not like awkward length, it's actually cropped. The only thing I found is the arms are a little long, but I just rolled them up just because I'm quite small. Really nice quality. It goes with skirts, shorts and dresses, especially with dresses. If it's a little bit colder, chuck a denim jacket on and you're good to go. So I grabbed another one of these sets. This is not from the petite section, I don't think. No, so it's just the normal. The blue is so nice. It's got the black detailing. Well, it does look quite oversized. Yeah, it might be a little bit too oversized, but I don't really care. It's fine. And then the shorts. The shorts look quite good. I don't think they'll be big at all. I mean, I don't mind a big hoodie. Comfort is key. I love these. They have these in so many colours. I've got the black one and I've got the grey one. Now I've got orange, now I've got blue. I want the pink one, but it was out of stock. I'm not sure if this will fit me. It might be a little bit long. I really wanted a zebra print skirt with like a black crop top or even colourful, because I love colourful. It does have a ruched side. When a thing just accentuates that, like when you have a bit of leg out, I love it. Yeah, I think this might be a bit big on the waist. It is super stretchy. It is a satin material, before I forget. Then I actually grabbed this bodysuit here. Again, it says it's petite, but I'm not 100% sure. It has a little bit of padding, but I find it's not going to be that secure, and it doesn't have the little suctiony things I like. I did grab a 4 as well, but I'm not sure. I just thought this with the suit trousers would look really nice together. I don't know if I just said, but it's not a thong back, and I wish it was. It has the little clippy thing. I mean, I feel like it could be cute, but I just don't have much boob, so it could fit. I don't know, we'll have to see about that. And then I grabbed this dress here. I'm not sure why, because I hate these type of necks. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's just a long sleeved ribbed dress. It looks a bit see-through, like I can see the light through it. Then it's got like a gap here. I think this might be petite. Yeah, it's petite, so hopefully it's short enough. Basic dress, good to have. I then grabbed this bodysuit because it gave me really Skims vibes. Again, it's not really a thong back, I don't say, but it's double lined. It's like that. It's not quite slinky. but it's still like super soft. It's just like a normal cami cut, I'd say. Thought with beige flares, maybe white shorts, especially with them wedges that I showed you earlier, I think that would look really, really nice together. Boohoo have so many bodysuits and their double lined ones are so good, not see-through and really good quality. So if you're looking for a bodysuit, always search for double lined. Oh, I didn't even realise, so I grabbed that red bodysuit in beige. Oh, what's going on? Grabbed it in beige if you like that. I quite like that colour. I'm just hoping it fits because I feel like them cups are a bit big for me. Maybe, but if it fits, that would be a really good like night out top. I then just grabbed a beanie. I used to never be a beanie girl. If you watched one of my Boohoo hauls before, I said how I'm just not about beanies, don't suit them. Towards the end of winter, I became a beanie girl. So I got this one. It's like a thick rib knit one, and it's like smaller, so hopefully it'll be better for my head because sometimes I find that they're too big. So hopefully this will be better. It looks like it'll be a better fit. And I grabbed another varsity jacket. This is just a cropped one. Again with the contrast, like, you know, normal cotton material, then with the faux leather. Seems like a recurring theme. I tried this on. I can't remember if it was too long on the arms. It might have been. I really can't remember, I'll be honest. I'm not too good at this. This one does remind me more of like a kiddie type one. Like I used to have baseball jackets when I was little, and I feel like it just really reminds me of that. The quality feels nice. It feels super, super soft. I think with a white outfit with some blue trainers, if you have this colour, will look really, really good. They've got this in literally so many colours. They've got red, they've got black, they've got nude. Boohoo are the best for varsity jackets as well, if I didn't say that earlier. Grabbed these cute little shorts in both colours. I got the black and I got the white, of course. I just thought these were really cute and like innocent. I don't know. I just feel like the dots are quite cute. It's got a frilly bottom and the back is elasticated, but the front's just normal. I believe these are petite, so I'm hoping they're not too long. I liked both colours, of course. With a bodysuit, I thought would look really, really cute. They're kind of a crepe material, a bit more flimsy, but on holiday these would be super comfortable. Just any type of hot days with a little crop will be so, so cute. Again with wedges. Wedges are the way for this summer, I'm telling you. Grabbed this long cardigan. Really reminds me of Euphoria. I feel like they wear cute stuff like this. I actually got this because I saw a styling page where this with denim shorts, and because it was like a bit longer, it kind of came over the denim shorts and some black sandals. This is really thick, nice quality. It says love in a gold pin. You can wear something under this if you don't feel safe. Bandeau, nipple covers, anything, but I mean, I don't really care. I feel like this might be a little bit big for me. We'll have to see. If it isn't, I'm going to be so happy because I really want to recreate that outfit. Again, another like cutesy, innocent thing. I don't know if innocent's the right word, but I just mean like kind of kiddie but cute. I don't know. Off the shoulder, crepe material. Is it crepe material or crepe? It's definitely crepe. Thought this was really cute. Again, for Halloween outfit, if you want to be a pirate, it would look good. I was just thinking with some denim shorts, maybe it would look cute, especially on holiday. I then grabbed this basic white t-shirt because I am going to cut it. I'm going to cut it like here. I saw that Jacquemus does a crop like this and then long sleeve under. It looked really cool with cargo, so I really want to do that. It's the perfect oversize. It's just a bit long because not normally people wear crops that are literally to your boobs. So I'll just cut it myself, doesn't matter. And it feels really good quality considering it's probably like £4, maybe £3. Again, another thing that would look amazing on holiday. This crochet material is on trend every year, I feel. Just a halter neck with a couple of holes in, with some white flowy shorts, white flowy flares, wide leg trousers. It would look amazing on holiday. Who else thinks I just clearly want to go on holiday? I really want to go on holiday to wear stuff like this. I didn't find it was see-through, although it's crochet. I don't know why I grabbed these because when and where am I going to ever wear this? Some petite flares. Boohoo's petite flares are really good and they're actually like flare bottom. They're just an abstract marble print. I thought for raves that I don't go to, festivals that I don't go to, I don't know, maybe if I'm doing some inspo, maybe I'd wear them. But they feel really nice, just jersey material, super stretchy. Another summery set. This little skirt, it is a bit crinkled because it's been in the packet. It's got a thick stretchy waistband and it's a lovely like nudie beige colour. And then it comes as a cord. This isn't a size small, so I'm not sure if it's going to fit. You can either have this off the shoulder or on the shoulder. It's got little sleeves, frills on them, and then a tie. It's just very boho, and I really liked the look of this. I was thinking with wavy hair, that's kind of the vibe I was going for. I then grabbed this shirt. It's not quite cropped, but it kind of is. I just love the back. As I said, I love getting my back out. It's got a cute bow on it, just a standard shirt. I thought with my nude faux leather shorts it would look really nice because I have a white version of this from somewhere else. I wore it with my black faux leather shorts and it looked quite cute together. So I was thinking maybe I'll try it with the nude. Really nice quality and it's a really nice colour as well. Wish it was maybe a bit more cropped, so I'll see what I could do about that. Hopefully it looked as cute as I imagined. We are on to our last two items. Another shirt, a pink shirt. I've got the orange version of this. I always see people in pink shirts, wanted to be a sheep, wanted to copy them. I was just going to wear like a set under this, maybe a white set, or even tie it if you want. It is very oversized and long, and then it's got kind of the balloon sleeves. I do normally tend to fold this because I don't like how long that is. Will I attempt to style it? We'll see. We'll see how I get on. I wanted a pink shirt for so long. We are now on to our last item that I just know for a fact is not going to fit. As you can see, it's just too big. It's like a massive knitted dress and it's like tied in the middle and then it's got the flowy arms. No, I don't think it's going to fit me. Lengthwise maybe, but I just feel like it's going to be gaping and I don't want to have to wear something under it. I don't know. So, bit sad to end the video on a sad note, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. There's plenty of stuff I liked anyway. So everyone, that's the end of my Boohoo haul. Thank you so much for Boohoo for working with me again and gifting me these items. I appreciate you so much. If you like Boohoo hauls, make sure you subscribe. I've got plenty on my channel and plenty more to come. If you like me or this video, like and subscribe. Why not? Comment your favourite thing. I don't know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.